Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. So today I am going to turn this into something really pretty. A few videos ago, I will link that in the description. I had got this from Hobby Lobby when it was 75% off, so I only paid $10 for this. The regular price was like $39.99, but I only got it for $10. And what I had said in that video is that I was going to take the words off, which I'm going to do now, take off these little metal words, unscrew the wooden board from the frame of this, and then I'm going to go ahead and do an acrylic pour on it and change this into something so beautiful. As I'm doing this, I wasn't sure if I was going to replace the word blessed back on there or not. But I am going to go ahead and bend it back into shape because that was really all that was wrong with it. And I'm going to go ahead and put it back on at the end. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you love how it turns out because I'm super excited for you to see how it turned out. So I did decide not to fill in those little holes because like I said, I may put, and more than likely, I was thinking that I may go ahead and put the words back on, and I did at the end. So, I'm glad I didn't seal it up. So I'm going to be using, it's going to be a gold theme. My pour is going to be a gold theme. I'm going to be using mostly DecoArt golds, the Venetian gold, rich espresso gold, antique bronze. I showed you the folk art bronze, but I didn't use that one because it was old and wasn't very much in there. This one here, it was kind of lumpy, so I didn't use that. I swapped that out with Master's Touch Gold. And then I'm going to use the DecoArt Enchanted paints. I always use those. Those are my favorite paints. I'm going to use the green to just give it some definition, to make it stand out even more. So that gold is going to look really good. I mean, the green is going to look really good with the gold. So I'm going to go ahead and prep this paint, get ready to pour. Okay, so here it is. It's dry. And I went on ahead and I sprayed some triple thick clear glaze on. I put 2 coats on it, so it gave it a nice little shine. It already was shining before that. It just made it even more glossy because it's all metallic paints. The effect that this DecoArt Enchanted paint in the center, it looks like it's white. And I don't know how and why this paint does that, but it forms the color, which is green, but it still leaves a creamy white color on the canvas or board. And I love it. I absolutely love it. So I decided to go ahead and put the words back on the board. I am so happy with how this turned out. So I'm just going to go ahead and screw these in right quick. So when I picked this up from Hobby Lobby, I also got this really nice mermaid's tail. That's in the video too. Again, I'll link that in the description for you. And so that's going to be probably one of my next videos because I'm going to transform that to something really pretty too. So I'm really excited about that. I've just been staring at it, trying to figure out what I'm going to do to it. But I don't know, if you go back and watch the video and you see the mermaid tail, if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below what you think I should do with it. Okay, so it's done. I am so happy with how it turned out. I absolutely love it, and I'm going to find somewhere in my house to hang this. Let me know what you think about how this turned out in the comments below. I love to read your feedback, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new projects. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here, and you know I appreciate you. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.